Yo, brothers, it's Alexis, and I'm back again with another video for you guys. And my first clip completely cut out. I'm with T-Bands, and we went in Restaurant Depot to get me some stuff to do this order. Not an order, it's more like vending. I made jerk chicken, y'all. Funny because we got in because T's mom's a chef, and so T know her mom stuff, and then her mom pulled up, which is the funniest thing. I don't even know.
Make sure it's not the egg.
Wait, what?
You don't want to sell jumbo wings. You need small wings.
See, look.
Small type jumbo wings.
Alright, so I spent 130. Spent 130. Yo, chat. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. We got stuff to do, content to edit. We got a whole bunch of stuff, so we got a whole bag of habaneros. We're finna throw this whole thing in there. Whole fucking thing. Then we're finna throw most of these scallions in there. I'm probably only gonna save like a bunch, just one bunch. So then we got 5 spice. Then we got allspice. Then we got the soy sauce. Right. Salt. Sugar. Got a little bit of cinnamon. Then I got lime juice. Last but not least, garlic. Mom, where my knife at?
The new one?
Yeah, the newer one.
You talking about this right here?
Yeah, thank you.
Sometimes your eyes work, sometimes they don't.
Right.
You're just standing over here.
Right. Y'all see the way I get treated?
I'm baffled. You were just standing over here.
Y'all see the way I get treated? We're gonna throw all this in the food processor. I should have cut the garlic first, like I was thinking. Mom, are you still talking? Let's talk because in my video that I'll be uploading, I don't know if it's gonna be after this one, but we'll see. I talk about how cooks do not cut the little bulb, the little nub, the root off of garlic, and genuinely, that is one of my biggest pet peeves. And why? I most definitely understand why people don't cut it off, because when it's in the garlic and it's all cut up and it's cooked with other stuff, you're not really worried about that little tiny piece that's in there. You're not really gonna taste it, type shit. But it's still like, I just can't get myself to, unless it was like a big banquet. I know like a couple hours beforehand, or like I have to do all my prep beforehand because somebody fucked me over. Unless it's that, I'm always gonna cut the nub off the garlic. I don't care. I'll take 2 hours doing this, and it's gonna hurt my wrist, but I will. Cause like, I don't know, it's just quality. Like that's why my food be expensive, because I pay attention to little details like that. And if I'm paying attention to little details like that in the beginning, imagine how much more I'm gonna pay attention whenever I really know a lot of shit. You know what I mean, type shit? Like, when I'm cooking food, you will never have this in your food. Especially if I'm only prepping for a couple people. Oh yeah, never. I just think that's dirty. But that's probably because of what I've been taught. But seeing it in the industry, people are dirty. And you walk up in the I'm not de-seeding not one of these. All I'm doing is cutting off the tops. That's it, and that is all. Once we blend everything, we'll try it all together and be like, oh, it needs this. Oh, it needs that. But until then, we're just blending it to get it blended. That's jerk on the spot though. I just need some sugar and acid to combat it. Oh my fucking god. This is also kind of sweet. Look at it. That is spicy. So I'm trying to get all my bags ready, so I don't have to write down with the chicken in it. So I'm going to throw this in 2 big ass bags. Right. And then we're gonna freeze. We're not cooking all this. I'm gonna save some wings for my people to have. So wings. I feel like I like more ASMR in my videos and less like music. So, but I'm about to make rice. Let's see what Instagram said, but I'm about to make both. Got them voting for no reason the whole time. I like bricks, like 10 bricks. So, okay, key tip to any marinade you make. Once you marinate it and you have a lot of marinade left, you could turn any marinade into a sauce. Put that bitch in a pot, bring that bitch up to 212, and you got yourself sauce. That's it, that's all. That kills the bacteria. I would let it boil out for a little bit. I wouldn't just come into 212 and then just turn it off, but like, right. Right. It's time to cut the onions. My time. Bro put butt right to they behind the way that shit grip. I know he dying. 6, 7. I just bit right on the highway. I could come back to this like every 5-10-ish minutes, and that's exactly what I'm about to do. I'm about to go braid my hair while this is working. Apparently, I got rid of the clip where I put garlic in this. There's onions, garlic, sweat it down. Sweat means it's on a low heat. I'm not gonna lie, I cooked these for like 30, 40 minutes. Nigga's hair is middle of being done. What makes my white rice is this mixture. You can't tell it's in there. We're gonna add a little bit to the other one too. Yeah, I ain't gonna see what I'm doing. Usually I toast my rice, but one stick of butter. He's getting somewhere. On top of cars. I'm gonna show you how to plate up. And then I will take pictures. And then I will. I don't know. I don't know what it was, but it just wasn't cooking in the oven. I don't know. We soon be back, and I bet you think it's all on track. And now I'm going to get dressed, and when the chicken is almost done cooking, I'll start heating up the sauce that I have. Chat, I dropped my food off at the club. I'm waiting for Tiara's ass to get to the damn club. I'm about to go buy myself some snacks. I'm so like pretty. I think about that every day. Bitch inverted. Hold the fuck on.
What do you need?
I don't need anything. I'm chilling. Thank you.
You got enough space?
Yes, I got enough space.
We're gonna be having another show.
Yo. Where the mic at?
I need to grab my mic.
It's deja vu. Back in this bitch. You already know what the fuck is going on. iPad girl with the cut. Sorry, let me not disrespect the big Rasamone.
I respected before they put that iPad in my hands so I can act like that iPad.
She joined the media crew today. We had her style helping model. We had her modeling and shit. I mean, not modeling. We had okay. No, but I need to charge it. Well, let's not take.
It's for girls, I like it. I know I'm a young nigga, but I keep a grown bitch. I don't gotta give her nothing, my bitch got a phone.
All my footage is like all scrambled around, and I really just don't feel like looking for it. I thought about a pan of chicken I made too, so it was enough, and it was chilling. It was cool. Stay tuned for the behind the scenes of what really happened in the club. What was going down besides me working. You know what I mean? In the next video, I'm gonna catch you guys.